Tired of juggling spreadsheets, losing receipts, and feeling constantly overwhelmed by your finances? You're not alone. Many small businesses struggle to keep track of their income and expenses. But what if there was a simpler way? Enter Xero, a powerful cloud-based accounting software designed to streamline your finances and give you a clear picture of your business's financial health. Xero can help you automate tasks, reduce errors, and make informed decisions. Whether you're just starting out or have been in business for years, Xero can make a significant difference. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps of using Xero, from setting up your account to generating reports. 1. Setting up your Xero account. The first step is to create a Xero account. Head over to the Xero website and sign up. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your business name, address, and industry. Once you've created your account, you'll be guided through the initial setup process. This may include setting up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all your income and expense accounts. Xero offers a range of templates to help you get started quickly. You can choose a template that best suits your industry and business structure. 2. Bank feeds and reconciliation. One of the most powerful features of Xero is bank feeds. This allows you to automatically import your bank transactions directly into Xero. To enable bank feeds, you'll need to connect your bank accounts to Xero. This usually involves entering your online banking credentials. Once connected, Xero will automatically import your transactions. You can then review and reconcile these transactions with your own records. Reconciliation is the process of matching bank transactions with your own records. This ensures that your accounts are accurate and up-to-date. 3. Invoicing and sales. Xero makes it easy to create and send professional invoices to your customers. You can customize your invoices with your logo and branding. Xero can also track payments received from customers and send automated reminders for overdue invoices. You can easily track sales tax and generate sales reports to analyze your revenue. 4. Expenses and bills. Xero simplifies the process of tracking and paying your business expenses. You can easily record expenses by entering them manually or importing them from bank statements. Xero can help you track employee reimbursements and manage bills from suppliers. You can also generate reports to analyze your expenses and identify areas for cost savings. 5. Inventory management. If you sell physical products, Xero can help you track your inventory levels. You can easily record stock movements, such as purchases, sales, and returns. Xero can help you generate reports to identify slow-moving stock and prevent stockouts. 6. Payroll. Xero can help you manage your payroll, including calculating employee wages, deducting taxes, and generating payslips. You can also use Xero to file your payroll taxes with relevant authorities. 7. Reporting and analysis. Xero provides a wide range of reports to help you analyze your business's financial performance. Key reports include the profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. You can use these reports to track your revenue and expenses, monitor your cash flow, and identify areas for improvement. Xero also allows you to customize reports to suit your specific needs. 8. Collaboration and access. Xero is a cloud-based software, which means you can access your data from anywhere with an internet connection. You can also grant access to your accountant or bookkeeper, allowing them to work on your accounts remotely. 9. Tips and best practices. To get the most out of Xero, it's important to use it consistently and accurately. Reconcile your bank accounts regularly to ensure that your records are up to date. Use Xero's automation features to save time and reduce errors. Take advantage of Xero's reporting features to gain insights into your business's financial performance. Explore Xero's add-on marketplace for integrations with other business tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Xero-ing.